Our journey started way back in 1992 when borrowing money in this country was you had to know the bank manager, you had to be in very good terms, and at times they told you even giving you a checkbook was a privilege. So in 1992, money cost between 21 and 30% to borrow. Coming forward, today, borrowing money from the bank costs between 13 and 14%. You can see at least we are improving, but we hope with your able leadership, Your Excellency, we can come to 1 digit. That will actually help the growth of the industry. Your Excellency, SMEs account for 95% of farms in most countries. Estimated 600 million jobs will be needed globally by 2030, and 7 out of 10 employees will be in SME. Kenya National Bureau of Statistics 2016 report indicates SME constitutes 98% of all businesses in Kenya. SMEs contribute 33% of our GDP. Majority of SMEs in Kenya are informal. Sadly, Mr. President, 75% of SMEs die within 3 years of inception. In other words, Kevian is a lucky one to be among the 25% of SMEs that made it through to its 30th birthday since its inception in 1992. The objective of Kenya is to increase the income of small-scale farmers in Kenya along the agricultural value chain, which is very dear to you, as I know. Now, building programs, which has been our very, very major concern, and mentorship by extension services, and creating access to finance has made us support our suppliers who are grouped in about 3,000 farmer groups. Our flagship product, Mount Kenya Water, was not only the launching pad for Kenya, for Kevian Kenya as a company, but was a pioneer brand in local bottled water industry. Mount Kenya Water has notably changed the lifestyle and landscape by paving way to other local and international bottled water brands since coming into the industry.